the sky. Meghalaya whispers as the rivers sigh. Waterfalls dance in a silver cascade. Nature's beauty in every shade. Emerald hills that kiss the misty air, a paradise beyond compare. The winds hum songs of ancient lore, every path hides a tale to explore. Oh, like a light you steal the heart, with your wonders a world apart. So let's wander of ancient lore, every path hides a tale to explore. Oh, like a light you steal the heart, with your wonders a world apart. Tourists wander to your serene call, nature's magic standing tall. Streams weave stories through the valleys green. Every corner a painter's dream. The clouds coming down to touch the ground, a heaven on earth where peace is found. Hidden caves and skies so wide, in your arms secrets reside. Your charm leaves us mesmerized, a place where the soul feels revived. Oh, like a light you steal the heart, with your wonders a world apart. So let's wander of ancient lore, every path has a tale to explore. Oh, like a light you steal the heart, with your wonders a world apart. Tourists wander to your serene call, nature's magic standing tall. Oh, like a light you steal the heart, with your wonders a world apart. So let's wander of ancient lore, every path has a tale to explore. Oh, like a light you steal the heart, with your wonders a world apart. Tourists wander to your serene call, nature's magic